Right now on Jamaica News Page tonight, we're following breaking news. Police are on the scene of a double murder in Falmouth. We're tracking the latest developments tonight. Also tonight, a deadly hit and run in Montego Bay. Police are searching for the driver who mowed down a man Monday evening. What investigators are now piecing together. And a disturbing twist in another case. A man first believed to have died in a crash is now confirmed to be the victim of a homicide. The new details ahead. Plus, reassuring the public. Health officials say chemicals used in mosquito fogging after Hurricane Melissa are safe. What you need to know. And a powerful story of growth and hope. How a child resiliency program is transforming young lives, boosting confidence, discipline, and belief in what's possible. Welcome back to Jamaica News Page tonight, news that keeps you connected to what's happening across Jamaica. And we're all powered by viewers just like you. In the spirit of the holidays, we've got something special just for you. When you become a Jamaica News Page member, you unlock rewards you love, including a loyalty badge next to your name in the comments, shoutouts for your birthday, anniversary, other special moments, and a whole lot more. Joining is easy. Just click subscribe, then click join, and choose to become a FUI Star or FUI Elite member right now. That's it, simple and quick. Leave a comment so we can welcome you with a shout out. Thank you for joining. Jamaica News Page tonight starts right now. We begin tonight with breaking news in Trelawny, where police are investigating a double murder in Falmouth. Officers remain on the scene tonight along Wellington Street, where the bodies of two men were discovered inside a silver motor car near the entrance to the Falmouth Cemetery. The men were found slumped in the front seat of the vehicle, both covered in blood. Investigators have not yet said how they were killed. The incident has drawn a large crowd as police continue their work. We're told more details are expected as the investigation continues, and will of course keep you updated as more information becomes available. Also breaking tonight in St. James, police are searching for the driver involved in a fatal hit and run along the Queens Drive main road Monday evening. Jamaica News Page tonight understands that just before 7 p.m., a man was walking along the roadway near the intersection leading to the airport's back entrance and the community of Flanker when he was struck by a passing motor vehicle. The driver did not stop. The victim suffered multiple injuries and broken bones. He was rushed to hospital where he was pronounced dead. His identity has not yet been released. At this time, he was wearing a gray shorts and a gray shirt. Police are urging the driver or anyone with information to please come forward. And a disturbing development tonight in a case first believed to be a traffic fatality. Police have now confirmed that Christopher Clark, who died following a motor vehicle crash on Saturday morning, was in fact the victim of a homicide. Investigators say Clark had been stabbed before his Nissan Tida crashed into a utility pole and overturned. Firefighters responding to the crash found Clark lying on the ground. He was taken to hospital where he later died. An officer familiar with the investigation says Clark was likely driving himself to hospital after the stabbing when the crash occurred. Police say they're now treating the case as a murder and are searching for the person responsible. Developing tonight in Kingston, a male patient is being treated after he was shot by police at the Kingston Public Hospital Monday morning. Police say they were called to a hospital ward around 5:40 a.m. after reports that a patient had stabbed another patient. During the interaction, the suspect allegedly attacked one of the officers with a weapon, prompting the officer to discharge his firearm. The patient was injured and is now receiving treatment at the facility. The incident is under investigation tonight. Tonight, a wanted man is dead following a police operation in Bottom River on Augusttown Road, St. Andrew. Police say the operation took place early Monday morning and resulted in the death of 26-year-old DeAndre Williams, also known as Street Life. Officers say Williams was accosted during the operation, leading to a confrontation in which he was fatally shot. A 9mm pistol with ammunition was seized, and 18 men believed to be linked to gang activity were taken into custody. Police say Williams was wanted for murder and was also considered a person of interest in several other shootings across multiple divisions. Investigations continue. Tonight, the Ministry of Health and Wellness is reassuring the public that chemicals used in mosquito fogging are safe for human health. Fogging has been increased in several communities following Hurricane Melissa as authorities work to control mosquito-borne illnesses such as dengue. Health officials say the insecticides being used are approved by international health authorities and are applied in very small amounts, enough to kill mosquitoes but not harmful to people. Residents with allergies are advised to limit exposure and take simple precautions during fogging. The ministry is also urging the public to help reduce mosquito breeding by removing standing water around home. New tonight, residents of Rose Heights in Montego Bay are again taking to the streets over ongoing water shortages. On Monday, protesters blocked 41 Boulevard, demanding immediate action after weeks and in some cases months without running water.
We can't get water. We was so we can't get water. We get water for election after an election in September. Until now, we can't get no. We can't water till we tired.
Give me bill with $16,000 minus. Me have water meter up here, me water bill. 4 months, no water. No man, we're going to use my body, blocky road.
This marks the second protest in less than a week. The area's councillor says discussions are ongoing with the National Water Commission, but work has been delayed due to unrest in the community. Residents insist they will continue protesting until water service is restored. Meanwhile, more than 35,000 JPS customers in hurricane-affected parishes have now had electricity restored. The update comes from the Energy Minister, Darrell Vaz, who says power has been reconnected in Westmoreland, St. Elizabeth, Hanover, St. James, and Trelawny. Officials say restoration efforts have accelerated following government intervention, with additional crews and equipment now on the ground. Work is expected to continue throughout the holiday period. Turning now to lifestyle news, style, color, and confidence were on full display at the picnic festival held at the Yui Mona Bowl over the weekend. The ladies stole the spotlight, embracing the event's pink theme with fashionable looks ranging from soft pastels to bold statement pieces. The festival delivered a chic outdoor vibe and vibrant energy, drawing large crowds and plenty of attention. And finally tonight, a powerful story of growth, resilience, and hope. A child resiliency program at Holy Family Primary and Infant School is helping students overcome behavioral challenges and improve literacy skills. Parents say they're seeing real change, from better discipline to increased confidence and stronger family relationships. The program focuses on long-term support, creative expression, and emotional healing, helping children believe in what's possible beyond their circumstances. Educators say the results speak for themselves and that consistent care can change lives. This is such an important program for the children. And that's the news on Jamaica News Page tonight, news that keeps you connected to what's happening across Jamaica. And we're all powered by viewers just like you. In the spirit of the holidays, we've got something special just for you. When you become a Jamaica News Page member, you unlock rewards you love, including a loyalty badge next to your name in the comments, shoutouts for your birthday, anniversary, and other special moments, plus a whole lot more. Joining is easy. Just click subscribe, then click join, and choose to become a Few Star or Few Elite member right now. That's it, simple and quick. Please leave a comment so we can welcome you with a shout out. Thank you for joining, and also thank you for watching Jamaica News Page tonight. We'll see you in the comments, and be sure to join us again for more news. From all of us here, good night.